how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. We're in black and white because today's video is a palette bingo. I am so excited. This is an extra special one. This one is in collaboration with my friend Amanda from Makeup Just for Fun. She is an absolute light. I will have her channel linked down below. Please go check her out. She is so sweet and kind and funny and wonderful, and I just adore her. She takes the most aesthetic flat lay and swatch pictures ever over on Instagram. I just adore her. We've been friends for a couple years now. We got to share a collab with Oden's Eye a few years ago, which birthed us being collab sisters, and now the collab sisters are back because in this video we are doing a bingo pairing our Fantasy Cosmetica collabs. She collaborated with Fantasy Cosmetica about a year ago, and I just collaborated with them very recently, and I suggested us doing a palette bingo collab, pairing our palettes together. And I'm just so excited. Thank you, Amanda, for doing this with me. I can't wait to see your look. I can't wait to see what shades the palette bingo gods bestow upon you. I am just so excited, and it's gonna be such a good time. The fact that I get to hold both of these is just so special, and it means the world to me. I'm so excited to be pairing these together. Not that I didn't expect them to work together. I had a good feeling they were gonna pair pretty wonderful together, but this look turned out so cool and wonderful. I'm really excited. These palettes go so well together. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into some bingoing. I am so excited to be sitting here filming this video. I literally cannot wait to watch Amanda's video when that time comes. I am so pumped. These palettes are just so pretty, and I can't wait to see them together. They're gonna just be a match made in heaven. So yeah, we have the Enchanted Autumn palette. This was Amanda's collab with Fantasy Cosmetica last year, and it's just so pretty. She did such a good job. I love these very muted, yummy autumnal tones. It's so, so gorgeous. And then of course, my very recent collab with Fantasy Cosmetica, the Witch's Familiar. It's my baby. I love her so much, and I just think they're gonna pair together so, so well. Just look how cute they are together. Mine's meant to be oriented vertically, but I mean, you could look at it this direction as well, but for the sake of that's the way I intended to hold it, that's how we're gonna see these. But I think these are gonna pair so fun together. We really don't have any overlap in our palettes even remotely, so I'm just excited to see what the palette bingo gods give us. Amanda is just such a sweet soul. I adore her so much. She is my collab sister. I love that I got to share that Oden's Eye collab with her a few years back, and I love that we've both collaborated with the same brand just in different times this time around too. It's so cool. She is such a sweet human, and I'm just so excited. Typically with a palette bingo, I like to use 5 to 6 shades. So because I have 2 palettes here, I'm gonna randomly generate 3 shades from each, making it 6 shades total. So we're gonna see what happens. Let's start with Amanda's palette first because her palette came out first. So we'll go in that order. I'm gonna pull up a random number generator on Google, and I'm gonna set it 1 to 12 because her palette and my palette both have 12 shades. So let's see which 3 we get for Amanda's palette. 12, 3, and 10. So for 12, we got Emerald. I was actually really hoping we'd get this shade. Number 3, Heron, so pretty. And then number 10, Sagittarius. Love the green purple vibe already. That's already so cute. This is off to a wonderful start. I'm so stoked. And I feel like literally just knowing my palette as well as I know my palette, I think any shades I get, I'm gonna be able to make work with this. So I'm so excited. And then moving on to my palette, we got 5, 1, and 7. So we got Cauldron as 5, Potion as 1, and then 7 is Herbs. Wow, I feel like the palette bingo gods really wanted purple green sort of combination today. That's so funny. Like obviously we have completely different tones because mine's more like vibrant and like that turquoisey tealy leaning green, and then hers is much more dark and moody. This is gonna go together so perfectly. I don't think that could have been more perfect if I tried, so I'm pumped. It's also pouring rain right now, so I feel like the vibes are just so good, so moody. And this is gonna be so spooky cute. I'm gonna gather my thoughts and brushes and kind of decide how I want to place these shades, and then we're gonna get into it. Okay, I think I have my idea formed. I'm gonna start by priming with my Sigma eyeshadow primer in Ignite. I am just gonna smear it on and blend it out. I think I wanna do something with the purple shades in the outer corner, lots of different shimmer on the lid. I think I might do my pop of Potion, that more sea foamy tealy shade in the inner corner. and then have another shimmer going on the lower lash line. I think that's gonna be a cool combo. So I am actually gonna start with Cauldron from my palette. I wanna start just getting some of that base laid down in the outer corner. This is a blending brush from Clionadh in Bad to the Brow. So I'm just gonna start running this along the, really pretty much the entire crease, honestly. I'm gonna take it all the way inner to outer, feather it out toward my tail, and also taking it across that lower lash line. Obviously, I'll be adding in my dark purple matte as well, but I kind of just wanted to get this as a base before I start blending them together. So now dipping into the Enchanted Autumn palette, I want to take Heron, that very like dark grayish indigo purple. It's so pretty and so deep. I'm going to use this E06 from Fantasy Cosmetica, and I'm just going to tap this really mostly in the outer half of my lid. I just want this to fade into that lighter purple Cauldron nicely. I'm also gonna scooch some of that on the outer half of this lower lash line and just make sure those connect in that outer corner. So now taking some more of Cauldron, I'm just going to go back and start blending the edge of the darker purple and just get those flowing together nicely. I'm already just loving this. I can't wait to add in all those shimmers. It's gonna be so pretty. And that pop of Potion in the inner corner I think is gonna be such a cool combo. So I do wanna go ahead and add that other matte Potion into the mix and just start adding that as my little inner corner pop before I add all my shimmers. So I'm just taking this really skinny brush from Glaminatrix, and I'm just adding a tiny, tiny little bit. Because really this isn't a highlighty shade. This is more so just gonna be like a fun pop of color. But I'm trying to use a really small amount of it so that it doesn't look too dark or anything. Because really there's no other shade that we drew today that's gonna work as a highlight. So I feel like this pop of color is just gonna be the way to go. I think that's actually quite fun. So now I wanna get on to the shimmer. So I'm gonna start with my NYX glitter primer. I use some sort of glitter primer or shimmer primer with every shimmer ever. It just helps everything pop to its fullest potential and stay put nicely. So I'm just doing a really thin layer of this across both lids. And I think I definitely want Emerald on the outer half of my lid, and I think I want Herbs on the inner half of my lid. And I think I'm gonna save Sagittarius for the lower lash line. So I'm gonna start with Emerald. I'm so excited about that shade. And I'm just gonna press this on the outer half of my lid. And I just want it to fade into all those purples. It's gonna be such a cool combo when all this is done. I'm so curious to see what the Palette Bingo gods give Amanda. I'm so excited to see just what color combination she gets. Imagine she pulls the same shades as me. How funny would that be? So now using that same brush, I'm gonna take Herbs from my palette and pop that on the front of my lid over here. And I just want it to kind of mesh into that other shimmer. And I also want it to fade into that Cauldron matte that I kind of sweeped through the crease all the way through. So just kind of tapping, kind of switching between both sides of the brush to get a nice merge with those shimmers. I love those two shimmers next to each other. That is so pretty. Just gonna make sure that's flowing nice. I am loving this. And even this little pop in the inner corner, I think kind of connects to this really, really well. And last but not least, our sixth and final shade, I'm gonna take Sagittarius from Amanda's palette. I'm just gonna use this little E30 pencil brush from Sigma, and I just wanna press this on the front half of this lower lash line and kind of fade it into the mattes that I have building up on the outer half. And just making sure that inner corner kind of blends in with those pops. This is just such a cool look. This came together so flawlessly and seamlessly. The Palette Bingo gods definitely knew what they were doing here. I love how this look turned out. I just threw on a little pair of half lashes. These were Flutter, I believe, from Bright Lashes. And then I also threw in my Zulu pencil from ColourPop. I just felt like it really brought together that inner corner even more. And then for my lips, I just wanted something dark and fall, kind of vampy. I wanted to go with a dark purple, and I felt like this tone of purple kind of tied like my hair color into the look as well. I don't know, I just felt like it kind of fit and just looks enchanting and mysterious and cool. But the combo is Familia pencil from Melt and then Queen of the Night lip clay from Kaleidos. And I just love how this all came out. I feel like our palettes play together so, so nicely. I love the different elements that both of our palettes pulled in. I feel like this looks like a true combination of our palettes, and it was just so much fun to do. I adore Amanda so much. I can't wait to see what she does with her look and what shade she gets. It's gonna be so cool. Thanks so much for watching. This was a lot of fun. I just can't get over how beautiful this look turned out. I feel like the colors just play together so perfectly. I absolutely adored pairing these together. I think they go together so, so well. I'm so excited to see what Amanda gets. Is she gonna get something similar? Is she gonna get something totally different? We're just gonna have to see. If you haven't watched her video yet, go check it out. Her channel will be linked in my description box. But I would love to know, if you drew these shades randomly, would you have done something similar to me? Would you have done something totally different? I'm very curious. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some random emojis, emoji bingo style. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. I'm BATTYBEAN over there. And you can also subscribe if you want to see more videos. You're also welcome to hop over to my second channel linked in my description box if you want additional content. And also in my description box is a link to my channel memberships. There's a couple different tiers with a couple different perks, and I would love to have you. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep watching, I'll pop a similar one on the screen. Thank you so much for being here, and I will catch you in the next one.